We're excited to share some great news from inside the Learn Wiser school community. Our very first challenge has officially wrapped up, and thanks to the transparency of the school leaderboard, we were able to identify our top participant for this round. The $500 business grant has now been awarded to a husband and wife team, Refaya and Moesha, who finished at the top of the board, a reflection of their steady activity and engagement throughout the challenge period. What makes this moment even more inspiring is the journey they've already begun. After taking the reseller liquidation course inside Learn Wiser, they launched their own business and have been keeping the community updated every step of the way, sharing their sales, their progress, and the wins they're stacking along the path. This grant is more than a prize. It's fuel for the momentum they've already built and a meaningful boost toward their business goals. Moments like this highlight the spirit of our community. Every post, every lesson completed, every shared insight contributes to the collective energy we're building together. The leaderboard simply helps us recognize participation in a clear and consistent way, giving everyone an equal opportunity to rise by being part of the learning journey. Using the leaderboard keeps the process open, fair, and easy to understand. It celebrates involvement without comparison, and it ensures that every member, no matter where they are in their journey, can see a clear path toward future opportunities. And speaking of opportunities, we're already preparing the next challenge. You'll find it posted soon inside the Learn Wiser school community, and we'd love to have you join in. Whether you're brand new, haven't joined yet, or you've been with us from the very beginning, your presence adds something valuable. Each challenge is a chance to learn, grow, and connect, and we're excited to see what you bring to the next one. So stay tuned, stay inspired, and we hope to see you in the upcoming challenge. The journey continues, and we're building it together.